Welcome to our channel. If you want to avoid late payment fees and protect your credit score, follow these step-by-step instructions to stay on top of your financial obligations. Step 1. Create a master list of all your bills with their due dates, minimum payment amounts, and payment methods. Keep this list updated and easily accessible so you never miss a deadline. Step 2. Set up automatic payments through your bank or directly with service providers for bills that have fixed amounts each month, such as insurance premiums, mortgage payments, or subscription services. Step 3. Use calendar reminders and alerts on your phone or computer to notify you several days before each bill is due. This early warning system gives you time to review charges and ensure funds are available. Step 4. Enroll in paperless billing and email notifications from all your creditors and service providers. These electronic alerts provide real-time updates about upcoming due dates and account balances. Step 5. Organize bills by due date and pay them in batches once or twice a month. Schedule a specific time each week to review upcoming bills and process payments so it becomes a regular habit. Step 6. Maintain a buffer balance in your checking account to ensure sufficient funds are always available for scheduled payments, preventing overdrafts and returned payment fees. Step 7. Contact creditors immediately if you anticipate difficulty making a payment on time. Many companies will work with you to adjust due dates, waive fees, or create payment arrangements if you communicate proactively. Step 8. Use budgeting apps that track bill due dates and send automatic reminders, helping you stay organized and ensuring no payment slips through the cracks. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.